Imagine standing on a mountainside, unable to see your friend miles away, yet still holding a conversation. In remote regions like La Gomera in the Canary Islands and parts of Turkey, people have mastered the art of whistled speech. By mimicking the tones and rhythms of spoken words, they transform language into musical notes that carry over vast distances. This ingenious method allows messages to travel up to several kilometers, soaring over forests and valleys. It's a living example of human creativity, where necessity and environment shape the way people connect across the landscape.